Earn from YouTube. How to earn from YouTube. Earning from YouTube can be a lucrative endeavor if done effectively. Here are the general steps to start earning money from your YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel. Sign into YouTube using your Google account and click on the Create a Channel option in the YouTube settings. Follow the prompts to set up your channel. Define your niche. Decide on the type of content you want to create and the target audience you want to attract. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and have expertise in. Produce high-quality content. Invest time and effort into creating engaging, valuable, and well-produced videos. Use good cameras, microphones, and video editing software to enhance the quality of your content. Build your audience. Promote your channel and videos through various means, such as social media, collaborations with other YouTubers, cross-promotion, and optimizing your video titles, tags, and descriptions for search engines. Meet the YouTube Partner Program (YPP) requirements. To monetize your channel, you need to meet certain eligibility criteria set by YouTube. As of the last knowledge update in September 2021, the requirements included having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. However, these requirements may have changed, so it's best to check the YouTube Help Center for the most up-to-date information. Enable monetization. Once you meet the YPP requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. If approved, you can then enable monetization on your channel. This allows YouTube to place ads on your videos, and you earn a portion of the ad revenue. Explore additional revenue streams. In addition to ad revenue, there are other ways to earn money on YouTube. These include YouTube Premium revenue. As a YouTube partner, you can earn a share of the revenue generated from YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your content. Channel memberships. You can offer channel memberships to your viewers, providing exclusive perks in exchange for a monthly fee. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands or companies that align with your content and negotiate sponsored videos or product placements. Merchandise sales. Create and sell merchandise related to your channel, such as clothing, accessories, or digital products. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi allow your viewers to support you directly through monthly contributions. Adhere to YouTube's policies. It's crucial to follow YouTube's community guidelines, copyright rules, and advertiser-friendly content guidelines to maintain your eligibility for monetization and prevent penalties or account suspensions. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. It's essential to focus on creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and continuously improving your skills as a content creator.